Hi there, today we're working on unit conversions and we're going to do one with a whole bunch of steps today. Convert 1.23 grams per mil to pounds per gallon. Any non-metric to metric conversions are given, so you have a couple of given conversions right here. And then down here at the bottom, goodness gracious, relationships sure seem crazy, reminds us the steps that we're going to take. So the first thing is to write down our given number, so our initial number in the problem, 1.23 grams per mil, and our goal is going to ultimately be pounds per gallon. So we write the given and the goal down. Next, I've got some relationships here, two that are given, and then I'm going to have some metric to metric ones. So I see here some milliliters and liters, and also some grams and kilograms. So I'm just going to write those relationships down as well. So I've got those other two metric to metric conversions over on the side. So that takes care of relationships. Now I'm ready to set it up, and I'm going to let the units be my guide. So first I'm going to take care of the mass here. Alright, I've got 1.23 grams, and I want to get that to pounds was my goal here. So first I'm going to take my grams and turn them into kilograms. Grams in the numerator cancel with grams in the denominator, 1 kilogram. Kilograms, then I can come up here and relate to pounds. So kilograms here, 2.205 pounds. And that gives me, when I calculate it, 0.002712, and my units there would be pounds per milliliter. Now, how did I decide how many numbers to keep out of my calculator? Well, I look back at the significant figures at the beginning. I have 1, 2, 3 significant figures, so I want to keep at least 3 significant figures and 1 additional digit if I have a breakpoint in the middle of my calculations. So I'm halfway done now. I've got the pounds, but now I need to get my milliliters to gallons. So I'm going to take that answer from the last one as my starting point and work on the volume. So here we go. I'm looking at milliliters here. I'm going to bring in those conversions. I can do 1,000 milliliters to 1 liter, which is helpful because then I see up here I have a gallons to liters conversion. So my mils cancel with mils. Now liters tell me liters need to be in the numerator. So that is 3.785 liters per 1 gallon. That is going to equal, when I multiply it out, liters cancel, so I'm left with pounds per gallon, and it's 10.26. Now, the final steps, we've got our setup done, we solved it, I want to do significant figures, and I want to check it. So we said 3 significant figures, 1, 2, 3, and then use that last digit to round. So this is going to be 10.3 pounds per gallon. To do a common sense check on that, 1.23 grams per mil is about the same as water, which is 1 gram per mil, and a gallon of water weighs 8 pounds, so we're again in the ballpark of close to water. So that's my check, and here's your answer. All done.